Hello everybody, my name is Navjot Singh and welcome to Singh's Chat Corner. Today I am going to show you an instant recipe of Dahi Vada, which is a famous dish of Punjab. It is liked by every state and is made on every occasion. So these are the required ingredients for your Dahi Vada. A bowl full of water, 2 slices of bread with their edges cut, chopped nuts, salt to taste, powdered sugar, whisked curd, pomegranate, green chutney, tamarind chutney, coriander leaves chopped, chaat masala, jeera powder and red chili powder. So let's start. First, you're going to have to take your bowl full of water and then take your bread slice. Dip it in the water for 1 second and then take it out. Flip it over and repeat the process. And then squish it. Take your chopped nuts and then fill it. Roll it into a ball. Now, take this and put it in your bowl. Repeat the process with the second one again. Take your chopped nuts. Roll it into a ball. Then put it in the bowl.
Stop.
Now take your powdered sugar and put it into the whisked curd. And then take your salt. You can take it according to your taste. Now mix it well. Now take your dahi vadas and coat it with the whisked curd. Now take it out and put it in your serving plate. Take your second dahi vada and repeat the process. Now it's time for garnishing. Take some extra curd and put it over your dahi vadas. Take your chutneys. Now take your tamarind chutney. take your masala, jeera powder, chaat masala, red chili powder, coriander leaves, and pomegranate. It's served. It's ready to be served and enjoyed with the family. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with your family and try it out. Thank you.